This video will show you how to install the pull-down kitchen faucet. Step 1. Preparation. You need to check everything, make sure are in the box. White spacer, metal and rubber washer, locking nut, shank, specification, hot and cold supply lines, and the pull-down kitchen faucet. The tools you need: adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, safety glasses, and the glove. Second, mount the shank and supply lines. Install the shank with glove. Screw and tighten the flexible hose to the faucet, according to the hot and cold button. Third, mount the faucet assembly. Install faucet through center hole. Assemble white spacer, metal washer, rubber washer, and locking nut to the faucet. Then use screwdriver to tighten the locking nut. Fourth, connect hot and cold supply line. Attached flexible hose to water supply, using a wrench to ensure that is tightened. Last, flushing the line. Remove the spray head and rubber washer. Turn on faucet handle for 1 minute to flush rubbish from faucet. Turn off faucet and reassemble the rubber washer and spray head.